Hello, Namaskar children. Welcome to our online class. Today we are going to see exercise 1 in subtraction. So exercise 1, we are going to subtract 4-digit numbers. So whenever we are subtracting, first we have to write the place values of the number. So ones, tens, hundreds, next thousands. So listen children, 0 minus 0. First we have to subtract from ones place, next tens place, next hundreds place, next thousands place. 0 minus 0, 0. Next we are going to subtract tens place, 8 minus 6. So what you have to do? You have to count 6 after up to 8. So 6 after 7, 8. So 2 is the answer. Next 7 minus 0. As I told you already, if you subtract 0 from any number, you will get the same number. So 7 minus 0, 7. Next 8 minus 2, count 2 after up to 8. Okay. So 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the answer? 6. So the answer is 6720. Next one, we'll write the place values, ones, tens, hundreds, next thousand. So we are going to subtract from ones place. So 6 minus 4 we are going to subtract. So the 6 is the greater number. So we can subtract 4 from 6. So up to 6 we have to count. So 4 after 5, 6. So what is the answer? 2. Next 3 minus 0, 3. Next 8 minus 2, hundreds place. So 2 after up to 8 we have to count. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the answer? 6. Next 9 minus 5. Listen children, if it is greater number we can subtract. Okay. So if from the greater number we can subtract the smaller number. If it is smaller number, what we have to do? We have to borrow. So here it is greater number, so we can subtract. So 9 minus 5, 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. So 4 is the answer. So what is the answer? 4632. Next one. First we'll write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, next thousands. See here they have given 4-digit number, but here they have given only 3-digit number. So you can write 0 to avoid confusion. Okay. So 6 minus 4 we are going to subtract. So 6 minus 4. So 6 is the greater number. From the greater number we can subtract smaller number. So 4 after 5, 6. So 2. Next, tens place 8 minus 7. So 8 is the greater number. So we can subtract 7. So 7 after 8. Up to 8 we have to count. So 1 is the answer. Next 3 minus 3. If you subtract same number, you will get 0. Next 4 minus 0, 4. So what is the answer? 4012. Next one, we'll write the place values, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. See, listen children, here they have given 4-digit number, but here they have given only 2-digit number. So, you can write 0 here. Next, ones place, we can subtract 9 minus 8. So, 8 after 9. So 9 is the greater number. From the greater number, we can subtract smaller number. Okay. So 8 after 9. 1 is the answer. Next, tens place 2 minus 1. So 1 after 2. So 1 is the answer. Next, 8 minus 0, 8. Next, 3 minus 0, 3. So what is the answer? 3,811. Next one, write the place values, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 0 minus 0, 0. Next 0 minus 0, 0. Next 5 minus 5. If you subtract same number, you will get 0. Next 4 minus 1. 4 is the greater number. So we can subtract from the 4. So 1 from the 4. So 1 after 2, 3, 4. So what is the answer? 3. So the answer is 3,000. Next one, write the place values of the number ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Next, we can subtract from ones place, next tens place, next hundred place, next thousands place. Okay. First 9 minus 7. So 7 is the smaller number, 9 is the greater number. So we can subtract 7 from the 9. So 7 after 8, 9. So what is the answer? 2. Next one, same. 9 minus 7. So 7 after 8, 9, 2. So 9 minus 7, same. Again they are repeating. So 9 minus 7, 2. So 9 minus 7, 2. So what is the answer? 2,222. Next, we are going to see word problem. Listen, children. In a school library, there are 4,653 story books and 2,341 subject books. So, how many more story books are there than subject books they are asking? So, write the solution. So, first we'll write number of story books. So, how many story books are there? Number of story books equal to 4,653. So, write the place values ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Next, how many subject books are there? Number of subject books equal to how many subject books? 1,341. So, what we are going to do? Listen, how many more story books are there than subject books they are asking. So, how many story books are there than subject books means we are going to subtract. So, write the subtraction symbol. So, 3 minus 1. So, will you subtract? 3 is the greater number. So, we can subtract 1 from 3. So, 1 after 2, 3. What is the answer? 2. Next, 5 minus 4. 4 after 5. So 1 is the answer. Next 6 minus 3. 3 after 4, 5, 6. So 3 is the answer. Next 4 minus 2. 2 after 3, 4. So what's the answer? So number of story books than subject books equal to number of story books than subject books equal to 2,312. Next answer, there are 2,312 story books than subject books. There are 2,312 story books than subject books. There are 2,312 story books than subject books. Next one. A farmer collected 2,568 mangoes from his mango orchard. He sold 1,235 mangoes. How many mangoes are left? So 2568 mangoes he collected. Then he sold 1235 mangoes. How many mangoes are left? See the keyword. So what you have to do? You have to subtract. How many mangoes are left? They are asking. So solution. First we have to write number of mangoes collected. So number of mangoes collected equal to how many mangoes he collected? Number of mangoes he collected equal to 1568. Write the place values ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Then number of mangoes he sold. Then number of mangoes he sold. How many mangoes he sold? 1235 mangoes he sold. So what are the remaining mangoes? That is how many mangoes are left they are asking. So we are going to subtract it. So 8 minus 5, 5 after 6, 7, 8. So 3. Next 6 minus 3. So 3 after 4, 5, 6. So 3 is the answer. Next 5 minus 2. 2 after 3, 4, 5. Then again 3. Next 2 minus 1. 1 after 2. So how many mangoes are left? 1133. So number of mangoes left equal to 1133. So answer, there are 1333 mangoes are left. Sorry dears, 1333 mangoes are left. So a cycle cost rupees 1085 rupees. Next, Ashok has rupees 850. How much more money does he need to buy the cycle? So what we are going to do? We are going to subtract to find out the answer. So cost of a cycle equal to rupees 1085. Next, money he has. How much money he has? 850 rupees. So we are going to subtract, write the subtraction symbol. So 5 minus 0, 5. Then 8 minus 5, 5 after 6, 7, 8. So 3. Next 0 minus 8, we can't subtract. So we have to borrow from 1. So 1 becomes 0, then 0 becomes 10. So 10 minus 8, 8 after 9, 10. So 2 is 235. So money he need to buy the cycle. He need to buy cycle equal to money he need to buy the cycle rupees 235. So answer, he need he need rupees 235 rupees to buy the cycle. So he need rupees 235 rupees to buy the cycle. Bye children. See you tomorrow.